Welcome to Autism Takes On, and today I went to the Lebanon farmers market with my therapist, and I got a Coca-Cola to drink. They also offered Diet Coke and Sprite. And then my therapist, Joe, then went to a coffee shop and I noticed some Mentos. And then it hit me. And so, this is Autism Takes On, and today we're gonna do the Diet Coke, Mentos, and baking soda explosion. You might want to back up a bit.
Good.
Okay, stand back. You can try it. I've seen this done a couple of times. This has been warming up in the garage. I don't know if it works though. They said not to try it at home, but we're gonna try it anyway. Ooh. Three, 2, 1.
Keep pouring. I was expecting a bigger explosion.
Okay, it wasn't a complete failure, but I was expecting a bigger explosion and maybe some foam. I don't know what I did wrong. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.